After replacing a broken door jamb, establish a simple, ongoing maintenance routine to protect the repair and extend the life of the jamb and hardware. Check the jamb and surrounding trim every 3 months for hairline cracks, separation at joints, or signs of movement, and tighten or refasten screws as needed. Use long, coarse, threaded screws through the hinge mortises into framing studs if you detect looseness to pull the jamb tight without removing the door. Inspect and touch up paint or stain whenever you see wear spots or exposed wood to prevent moisture intrusion, sanding lightly first and using a primer on bare wood before applying top coat. Examine weather stripping and door sweep monthly and replace any compressed or torn strips so seals remain continuous and keep water out. Measure the gap and choose a replacement strip that compresses slightly for a snug seal. Lubricate hinges, latch, and strike plate twice a year with a light lubricant formulated for door hardware and avoid heavy greases that attract dirt. Apply lubricant to the hinge pins and work the door to distribute it. Check the threshold and sill for rot or water pooling and regrade, or add a small drip cap and flash tape if you see water beading against the jamb. Replace any rotted sill sections promptly to prevent jamb failure. Finally, after major weather events, inspect for swelling or sticking and adjust hinge screws or plane the door edge minimally to restore clearance rather than forcing hardware, which can loosen fasteners over time. The most common problems are jamb movement from loose fasteners, finish failure from neglected paint, and seal failure from worn weather stripping. If the jamb shifts, remove the hinge screws and drive longer structural screws through the jamb into the framing to resecure it, and trim the door lightly only if necessary. When paint or stain is failing, sand to sound substrate and apply primer to exposed wood before repainting to stop moisture entry and prevent repeated peeling. If seals are compromised, replace weather stripping with a profile that matches the gap and check the threshold height so the new strip compresses properly for a continuous seal. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide resources on tasks like door jamb maintenance so homeowners can make informed choices. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where contractors and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and find work or hire help.